No, wait, right outside the property. Come on, Tasha.
Go.
What are you doing in the van? You see me getting dressed? All right, so I'm putting my pants on. Obviously, I'm about to leave. Calm down there, Mr. Fucking Power Trip. Calm down.
Just get in the car and go.
I am the secretary at Westmore Middle School on Valley View Drive, and we have a parent who has a no trespass. She's coming to pick up her student, but she has another person with her, and she's out front cussing and threatening, and I was told by the principal to call a cruiser up to the school building. She's not allowed to be on property.
Tasha, move your kids. People want to leave a dead. Hello? I need a sergeant dispatch to Westmore Middle School, please. A sergeant.
Okay, what's going on at Westmore Middle School?
My niece was jumped, and these two officers that's here are not giving a fuck.
Okay, so you have officers on scene?
Yes, and they're not caring because they're siding with the school.
The video for today is going to demonstrate the real reason American children are failing in school. The problem with the American education system is not the school. The problem is not the children. The main problem with the American education system is the parents. For today's video, you're going to see an incident where officers responded to a local school on a call where two female students were in a fight. One of the students' mothers responded to the school, caused such a disturbance that she was trespassed from all school grounds. She then called her sister, who responded to the school, and also caused a disturbance, which led to her also being trespassed from the school. I think that's all there is to say about this one. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon. What's going on?
Okay, so what's going on is this school has been being racist towards my niece. 1. 2, look at my niece's face.
Okay.
The security guard snatched my niece up and held her while another girl hit her. Okay, shut up, bub. So they're not doing nothing about anything ever. They keep suspending her and everything. So I came because now supposedly my sister's not supposed to be on no properties. So let me talk to the principal then, so I can hear what's going on. Big dude in here gonna shove me. So if it's, I'm a female. I'm standing at the door like, just let me talk to the principal. He gonna shove me, so I use my body weight right against him. Like, no, you're not gonna shove me, dude. You're a grown-ass man. Why are you why are you shoving a woman? The male security guard.
You want to go talk to her?
The male security guard is following the students into the bathroom.
I'll go in because I already got half the story.
I called the corporate on these people.
Earlier. Same person. An officer come out and talk to you earlier?
Not me.
She's the one that report was filed.
Who?
Some incident with knives and girls.
Not me.
What did Russ say?
There was another parent here earlier asking for video.
She was coming because she's one of the girls that got the knife pulled on.
Not me. Not me. I swear. My name's.
The Russ saying that security said it's you.
No,
have you been trespassed?
No, I have not.
No, it's like her sister.
It's my sister.
So
my sister got a phone call.
Yeah.
My sister got a phone call by my niece. Fawn, come here. I'm gonna show you.
Sister's not here.
No.
I'm gonna show you.
No, because the sister's trespassed.
Yeah, so that's the one.
So she came instead.
Look at my niece's face.
She was trying to get in, and they asked her to leave. And
he shoved me because I said, "Let me talk to the principal." He shoved me, so I'll
run inside.
Like
and talk
this is.
to
Come here.
Are you the one that the lady was pushing on?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on with that? That's why I'm here.
No, you're here because
That's what I was told.
She's got a no trespassing. The mom that had on the all black.
Okay.
And so we're trying to get her to leave. She can't even be on property.
Yeah. Well, this is
her daughter got into a fight.
This is her aunt.
Exactly.
Okay.
So her aunt can't even. Her aunt has no business being here anyway.
Yeah, I know that.
She can't be here. So her aunt's holding the door open. Mm-hmm. And I'm like, y'all gotta leave. Y'all can't be here.
Who's the one that's like throwing punches or whatever? So I gotta call it someone's throwing punches.
The aunt was like,
okay,
trying to move me out the way.
So that's
like,
why I'm
man,
here.
You gotta leave.
Okay.
Okay. You can't prop the door open. Mm-hmm. You're not supposed to be here. Then the mom pushed the aunt aside and got in the other security lady's face, talking about, I'll punch your fucking face or whatever she was saying. I don't know. She was standing right there.
All right, so you need her info for, we'll do a trespass on her.
On the audio.
Okay, I'll go to that for you.
No, they
just handed it to her.
You trespassed still, too.
No, they
Came out
just
last
gave it to her.
Yes, she got it last year.
No, she just got it.
They want another 16T on her.
A what?
16T, which means you're going to be trespassed as well.
For what? For what? Because I'm protecting my niece asking for the principal?
Listen.
You can't, everything you're doing is wrong. You can't force your way into the building.
I didn't force my way in. I was holding the
listen.
door trying to get my niece.
Okay.
He
You're going
was
to
not letting my niece pass him.
be... Okay, do you have your ID on you?
No, I do not.
Okay.
You can't tell me that you've never told me that I was trespassing once. I was never told that I was trespassing.
Yeah, 'cause I already got my time
She
approved.
just gave me it today.
I got my time approved.
You hear me?
I'll go in and get the
I was
report
never
number
told.
for them. Okay, well now you know for sure.
They never.
I'll go in and get the
They can trespass whoever they want.
No, they can't, because my kids don't go here.
They never.
They never listen.
They can trespass anybody
They never
want.
listen.
Without telling you though.
Huh?
Without telling you.
They're just now telling us.
No, I know, but just not telling
They're
you.
only trying to trespass me so they can cover up what's
They
going on.
just said it.
I know, but he said I've been trespassed.
Huh?
You know what? That's okay,
You
because guess
have
what?
been.
They're all
That's
going
what
to
they're
lose
saying.
their jobs,
You've been trespassed
including
since,
you.
I think, November last year.
I've been here every day. Every day. They've never told me anything. I've been here every day.
No, she used to be.
I don't know, but this is not the way to handle anything.
No.
So what makes you think coming up here screaming, yelling?
I wasn't
You
screaming
can't,
or
they
yelling.
don't just let anyone out the door. That's not how things
They know
work.
me and they know my
All right?
trust.
You have to check them out.
They have to.
You have to
Listen,
check them out.
they didn't even, as soon as I walked up to the door, I did not say nothing. I rung the bell, the security guards came to the door, held the door.
They seen her outside and they was like, they
So
know
if I
you
watch the camera, you did absolutely nothing.
I did not go
Camera
in.
reports the whole
She
thing.
did. They was already walking up, and the security guard was already at the door saying, "Oh, they can't come in. Call the police. Call the police. They can't."
I didn't do nothing.
But if they think there's going to be
She didn't know.
problems,
She didn't know that she was trespassing. I just got the papers today to give her at home.
Look, swear to God, all I did, I walked up to the door, okay? I said nothing. Nothing. I didn't raise my voice. Nothing. I said, I need to speak to the principal. My niece got assaulted. I want to know what's going on.
but they're not going to tell you nothing because you're not the parent. They're not going to tell you absolutely nothing of her incident.
I'm here, but why won't they tell me nothing?
For one thing, whatever you did to get trespassed,
Nothing.
they don't just trespass for no
They did
reason.
though. They did.
They don't.
Oh, my mom did.
I'm telling you, they don't.
She's not even running her mouth.
I'm telling you, they
Mom
don't.
give me a reason why. Give the nice one.
Right now.
What's your first name?
Michelle. Because it's the school.
That's what I'm talking about. It's the school. Racial shit.
What's a phone number for you?
Y'all give a fuck about what. And I wouldn't be good at school.
What's a phone number for you?
614? Matter of fact, I'll give you the rest when your sergeant's here.
There's no sergeant coming.
Why are you being disrespectful?
614
I
what?
wasn't being respectful to you. I was talking.
You want to go to jail?
Tell me that I was.
How is me not giving? I don't have a
You
phone
have to
number.
give me your information.
614.
You got a telephone number.
I don't have a phone number.
You went to it.
614. I was just being here respectful with you. Well, she's the one over here yelling and hollering. I wasn't doing anything. In the school, I wasn't doing anything wrong. Well, and I
Oh, Natasha, now because the cops are here, we asked almost 30 minutes ago for our kid. Look, now all of a sudden, now there she is.
I got an number for security.
Why won't you do shit
Okay,
like the military?
fine.
Security guard goes in there with the female kids. That's pedophile.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's not pedophile when a male officer going into a female.
Oh, that's okay. You all for your sergeant.
Do you guys have all your kids?
It's not pedophilism.
I don't know if they want to serve them.
them.
They might want to give them one of those papers when it
That's a
give them
straight
their
up
name.
assault.
No, I want the name for the information for the girl because I'm
They gotta leave the property.
We're gonna do that. We're
Because
just,
when one got up in my
yeah,
face,
that's
it's
her.
a good thing, and I've been
Yeah.
trying
It's
to help her
Q.
out.
That's her. We got it.
okay. We'll do a separate report on it too, just for your records.
So it's gonna go in, and once we get a copy, it'll be certified mail to this address. Oh, you talking about? So the one in the black is that girl's mom. She got no trespassing back in November.
Yeah, that's what I told her.
And that goes for every building in the district. We just put one in for this because on Friday, the kids were saying this girl and her were arguing. So the mom got out the car in the kid's face, I'll fight kids. She's done that multiple times. Apparently she had a knife or something. But then by the time we got out there, she had pulled off and speeding down.
Okay.
So they came in at like 11, as they do every day. Gave her the no trespass because mom probably said she didn't get it. Then that last period they got into the fight and mom came up here and we had that whole incident.
Alright. We'll make sure they understand we'll get them out of here. You gotta wait somewhere else. You can't be on this property. They're going to send you a certified mail with your trespass form, but you're not allowed to be here on the property. You have to leave. When they try to shut the door, you can't prop the door open. No.
Okay, well, over there is not school property.
This whole school property.
Across the street's not.
Okay, go
Across
across.
the street's not. I'll go up there and I'll park.
Go across the
and I'll
street.
wait for the student, your guys' sergeant.
Well, you're not going to get one.
Okay, then I'll just go down to your guys' precinct.
You go down to headquarters. They're both be on the report.
46, 34. What's your badge number?
2562.
And your guys' names?
I wrote it on that card.
Brian?
You're not allowed. I don't know. You have to figure that out.
So my kids can't go to school because they wasn't liars?
Nope. It's because of your actions. Go ahead and get in the car and leave.
One thing that I did, sir.
You've been trespassed multiple times. Okay. From all Columbus City schools, and then they gave you another one today. So get in the car.
Because when it comes about my kids, I'm going to step about it. And I'm
Get in the car.
What the fuck you mean?
Get in the car and
No, I'm
leave.
not. I'm waiting for the security guard.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
No, I'm waiting right outside the property.
Come on, Tasha.
Go.
Get in the van.
You see me getting dressed? All right, so I'm putting my pants on. Obviously, I'm about to leave. Calm down there, Mr. Fucking
Okay.
Power Trip. Calm down.
Just get in the car and go.
Get in the van.
There you go. That's good advice.
Y'all just shitty as the fucking principal, bro.
You're welcome.
Wait, can you give them my mom's number to call if I'm suspended or not?
They have her number.
Yeah, you're suspended. You know you're suspended.
No, I'm not.
The fuck? You don't do anything about it. Just like I didn't do anything to get you all fucking suspended, bro. What the fuck did I do? Not a goddamn thing.
Billy, let's go.
You know, he's a shitty ass officer, just like he's a shitty ass fucking apprentice. Shitty ass for a shitty ass fucking school. Shitty ass officer for a shitty school. You couldn't be perfect for each other. What? Perfect fucking cop. Perfect fucking cop. Low life decent. Low life. I'm a deadbeat ass guy too. You want to go get the milk bitch and come back too? I hope your kid gets beat the fuck up as she bitch. Oh, they get her to a post where she can't fucking breathe. That's what I wanted to fucking do. Fuck you in this.
I don't trust her driving.